iPad Photo Booth Installation Guide. 1. First, remove the product from the foam padding and arrange the parts in order. 2. Start with the base by removing the screws securing the base cover. 3. Place the lower section of the stand on the tabletop, with the side containing the light facing down for easier installation. Lift the base and thread the cable through the center, connecting it to the control panel of the base. Note: after connecting, ensure the cable is not overly pulled to avoid installation issues. 4. Tighten the 4 screws through the screw holes between the base and the stand. Lock the cover in place. Five. Take out the 4 casters and secure them to the base with screws. 6. After securing the screws, place the unit on the ground and ensure the cable end is positioned correctly. 7. Take out the upper section of the stand and connect the 2-pin and 3-pin cables. Tuck the wires into the machine's base and attach the upper section of the stand. 8. Once aligned, tighten the screws to secure the connection. 9. Install the fill light by aligning it with the device and tightening the 4 screws. 10. Adjust the fill light to the front, connect the 2-pin cable, and plug in the DC power. 11. Loosen the 3 thumb screws on the back panel of the fill light. Note, when installing the last screw, hold the front panel for support. 12. Attach the handheld metal module and loosen the tablet support bracket. Before placing the tablet, check if the protective foam pad is installed. If not, apply the foam pad as required for protection. 13. Mount the tablet and tighten the screws. 14. Tighten the 3 thumb screws on the back. Note: hold the handheld metal module during installation to prevent it from falling. 15. Once installation is complete, plug in the power. This is the speaker module. This is the microphone, and this is the device's power switch. Start your photo journey.